The recycling process begins with careful measurement. This load of reclaimed plastic combs weighs in at exactly 250 kilograms. Sourcing high volumes of recycled plastics is the first step in creating the next generation toothbrush.
Wrap it tight. We need this ready for the next truck.
Almost done, Supervisor. What's the clearance on the side?
Okay, pull the strap tight. Securing the tension now, it's locked in place.
Control, this is Supervisor B. Convoy 1 is secure and ready for departure. Requesting clearance to roll.
Best complete, proceed to Bay 4.
All right, drivers, keep the line moving. Next one up. Keep coming straight back. Clear on the left, let's move the next one.
All right, that's 250 kilograms. Make sure it's logged correctly.
Process. The recycled combs are first submerged in a hot industrial cleaning solution to remove grime and prepare the plastic for the next step. The high-resolution sensors scan and sort the materials by color using precise bursts of compressed air, routing them into their respective batches.
That belt full, and we've got a tight schedule today.
Don't worry, we'll keep the flakes moving.
The broken combs are fed into the granulator, transforming the raw material into uniform pellets. A precise ratio is critical to achieving the signature bright white finish.
Barrel temperature in zone 3 is spiking slightly. Adjust the cooling, keep it steady for the master batch.
Here at the die head, we meticulously monitor the diameter of the extruded plastic to maintain our high-quality standards.
Harness confirmed, Supervisor. Ready for the pelletizer.
Noted, everything looks good here.
Measuring at exactly 4 millimeters. Quality confirmed. The mold opens, revealing the freshly pressed handle bodies, perfectly formed and ready for the next stage of production.
The cross-section width is slightly off tolerance here.
Okay, reject that one. We need exactly 2 centimeters.
The sky blue grip is precisely bonded to the handle, ensuring ergonomic comfort and consistent quality. Here in the dedicated manufacturing room, our specialized machines utilize a precision wire feed system to create the perfect bristle head. Our automated systems ensure every toothbrush meets the highest standards, featuring exactly 40 tufts of pure white nylon. Utilizing advanced robotics, the sky blue grip handle is combined with the pure white bristles, creating the final 19-centimeter product. The assembly line ensures every toothbrush meets the exact 19-centimeter specification, finalized by the precise pneumatic press.
Every brush is precisely 19 centimeters, with exactly 40 tufts of pure white nylon.
The automated pull test ensures every bristle meets our rigorous standards. This batch shows a slight anomaly on the 3rd row. The optical inspection machine meticulously checks for 40 perfect tufts, ensuring uniform height and end-rounded tips on every filament.
Here at the engraving station, a high-frequency fiber laser applies the branding with absolute precision.
एक सैनिक के जोर दबाव पाए नक्सपिन स्प्रिंग सा फोर्स से जिम दबा एक से पुंट के बोर्ड मैंने अब इसको
To ensure durability, the 40 tufts of pure white nylon undergo rigorous stress testing, guaranteeing a secure final assembly. The bright white handles and pure white bristles are precision counted into lots of 12 for transport to the orientation station.
output is nominal.
Approved. Send it to packaging.
The fail rate jumped slightly on the last batch.
Noted. Check the grip stripe alignment tolerance.
The alignment on the last batch was perfect.
Yes, the calibration seems stable now.
The alignment is slightly off on this batch. We need to isolate these immediately.
Understood. I'll double check the next run.
Make sure the flow rate stays consistent through the sealer.
Yes, sir. Everything is calibrated and running on schedule.
The heat sealing press ensures a perfect blister seal every time, a critical step in the packaging process. At the visual inspection station, every blister package is meticulously checked for seal integrity and product alignment.
The bundling machine processes 6 packs at a time, ensuring a tight seal before they are stacked for distribution.
We ensure every single one of these 48 toothbrushes meets the exact 19 centimeter specification before sealing the carton. Stacking pattern is holding steady on pallet 3.
Confirmed. Just aligning layer 6 now. Bring it straight back, Carlos. Watch the left side. Almost there. Set it down easy.
This video has been created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas have been inspired by publicly available information and competitor concepts and have been rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations have been generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing has been done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is for informational purpose only and does not present AI visual as real footage.